Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2017 Volvo XC60 T6 Dynamic in osmium gray metallic with a soft beige interior. Soft beige leather interior. This has just under 34,000 miles on it. Those 19-inch wheels look really nice. This has blind spot information system, keyless entry. It's got a power lift gate, integrated roof rails. In 2017, this was an IIHS top safety pick. T6 means that it is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. This is all-wheel drive. Plenty of space in the back here, and those seats do fold down flat. Panoramic sunroof lets in all the light, and the soft beige interior is just super bright and cheery. And to close your tailgate, got this button here. That osmium gray looks good on everything. Very clean back seat. There's power in the back. These seats are so comfortable and easy to clean up. With your foot firmly on the brake, this is your ignition switch here. Your main center stack, just a little quick tour of this. So we have heated seats in the front, and if you push that, you'll see this all right here. If you don't like the start-stop option, you can always turn it off. You will have to turn it off every time you start up. The blind spot information system is here. This is to fold down those back seat, the backrests here for better visibility while driving if there is no passenger in the back. And this also has navigation. Connect to whatever media you'd like. And once you're in My Car, you'll be able to, My Car is here along the top. You'll be able to hit OK for enter, and this is where you can set things up how you like it. There's just a ton of different options. This has the optional steering force level, so you can adjust the steering wheel force to your liking. This is your volume control here, and if you're in the radio tuning, this is it. And to get in or out of things, you hit OK or exit, and you'll see that on the top screen there. The climate control is here, so this is for the driver's side, the temperature here, and on the passenger side, and their heated seat right there. And then you choose where you would like the heat to go on this little guy right here. And this is the fan dial. So up up and down here. And if you just like to set it and forget it to whatever temperature you like, once it gets up to temperature, you don't have to worry about it. And there's a little green light that indicates that that's on. All right, well, if you see yourself behind the wheel of this beautiful XC60, stock number 6128A is the stock number. PortlandVolvo.com has all the details, and we'd love to get you in for a test drive. See how amazing and wonderful this car is. Thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.